What's up everyone, this is Cassia from Passive Passion Online Income, and in today's video I am going to be talking about layoffs, furloughs and lockdowns. In general, the situation that's happening around the world, the situation where people are depressed, stressed, worried, and basically are looking for solutions, basically are looking for ways, basically are looking for guidance to get out of all of this. All right, I'm going to be talking about all of that in today's video, but before I get into the meat and potatoes, the nitty-gritty details, I'm going to see you guys right after this short little intro. So welcome back. As I was saying earlier, today's video is going to be all about a video where I'm going to be talking about the situation of layoffs, furloughs and lockdowns in general that's going around the world. Now, to begin with, a few days ago, this last week has been very painful for me, particularly because many of my friends who have been working for good companies, and these are semi-government, government companies, even private companies, who have been working for these companies for decades. Many of them are in a situation where they either have to resign or bear the consequences of being part of the furlough team or being part of the pool where staff members or candidates have been chosen to be on furlough. Now, this is a very painful sight to see what's going on. What's happening around the world, and seeing all my friends that are very close to me going through this situation. On the other hand, my students who have already developed and established their publishing businesses online, they have developed and established their dropshipping businesses, their Amazon FBA businesses are doing fine. I'm talking about these students who are still working, who are still employed, and the ones who are not employed, who are completely reliant on their online businesses are doing very well. Okay, so the ones who are working and who have their online businesses will be able to tackle the storm, which everyone is experiencing around the world. However, the ones who are not having any kind of extra source of income, who do not have any other side hustle, who do not have any kind of other business, are going to really be feeling this hit in a very bad manner. It's sad. It's just painful, to watch and see all this that's happening around the world. But my only advice to people who are watching this video, people who do not have a business or even people who have started a business, is to continue scaling your business, continue working and looking at ways to upscale your business and take it to a level which can put you in that, I wouldn't call it comfort zone, but which would put you in that stable zone. All right, so come what may, let it be any kind of recession or crisis, you have to focus on having multiple streams of income. All right, now before I talk about multiple streams of income or multiple sources of income, let me finish the point of layoffs, furloughs and lockdowns, which I actually wanted to cover. That is, let's say if you guys have already been laid off from your company, then there's nothing else you can do. You just have to pack your bags and look at settling down in a place where you can do some errands, pick up a side job. But while doing so, also try to look for that high paying hustle. Let's say it could be a side hustle where you're doing affiliate marketing for a business, or let's say for an entrepreneur or for an establishment. Try to look at ways of making income, making good income, and use part of that income for surviving or for your survival purposes, and other half for investing. That investing could be in an online platform, it could be in an online course, an online education program, and thereby starting up your online business. All right, now if you have been given the choice of furlough, well and good. What it means is you are just going to be on a long leave of absence. However, you do get to hold on to your jobs. All right, in other words, your job is still secure. All right, you aren't being terminated from the company. You are just being told that, listen, due to the turbulent times or due to the extremely challenging crisis or situation, company is not going to be able to pay you your regular salaries. Hence, instead of terminating you, we've decided to put you on furlough, meaning you'll be on long leave of absence. All right, it could be an indefinite leave because furloughs normally do not have a fixed period of time. All right, till when the employee or the staff is going to be on leave. So it could be 6 months, it could be a year, it could be a year and a half. It goes on. on. So you got to look at all the options. So if you are in a situation where, let's say, you've already worked in a company for many decades, you already have good savings, that is set aside, which could take care of your basic expenses for the next 6 months or even a year, then I would say there's no point of working in that company. All right, it would be better to resign, take your gratuity, and then start a business. All right, and thereby continue growing it. Now, if you have been laid off, I've already given you an advice a few minutes ago where you have to look for a side hustle. You have to work hard before you develop a business. You have to invest in a good quality online educational business program that can teach you how to establish good businesses. I'm not just referring to publishing, but it could be Amazon FBA, it could be drop shipping, whatever. You do the drill, you do the due diligence, you do the research, and then accordingly make a decision. All right. Now, coming back to the lockdowns in general. Now, in some countries, lockdowns have started opening gradually. All right. Shops are opening. Even my shops here out in Dubai, businesses are, getting the flow, but not as good as it used to be during the pre-pandemic times. But still, it's good to see that, there's a movement happening. There's some momentum that we are able to experience. Okay. There are customers coming in the shop. There is footfall. There are transactions going on. So that is an exciting and, delightful experience for all of us. However, when it comes to the online platform, businesses are doing really, really good. I mean, much better than my offline businesses. And part of the reason is mainly because people are sitting at home. People are making use of, online platforms, doing their shopping. This is for the drop shipping business I'm referring to. And when it comes to entertainment or education, they're going to the KDP platforms, buying books for their entertainment or educational purposes. Now, what exactly am I trying to pitch, or what kind of message am I trying to impart in this video? Well, the message is very simple, all right? And I'll tell you what it is. So the message is to start working and looking for either a side hustle. Now, if you've really got no savings at all, you've got no money which you could use to start a business, then you have to look for a side hustle. That side hustle could be, let's say, working in the sales and marketing department of, let's say, a business establishment or an entrepreneur or a company that is looking for smart, accomplished individuals like you who have the passion, who have the skill to take it in the sales and marketing platform. All right. So start working on that. Whatever money you make, start using it and invest it into a business or a business course that you could take online. All right. Now, end of the day, you have to realize one thing, guys. With the situation we all are in, all right, the situation that we all are experiencing, this is going to go on for another 6 months to a year, or maybe even 2 to 3 years. All right. Things aren't going to get back to where they used to be. All right. So you basically got to do what you got to do, which is try improving yourself, start working on your skill sets, start working on your strengths. All right. Polish them, develop them, go out and, make use of your forte. Right. If you guys have been a victim of furlough or layoffs, and are on the verge of losing your jobs, then it's time for you guys to, start taking calculated risks, start up a business. But before you start up a business, I would always advise you to get started with a quality online course or with a quality business course. All right. In case if you're wondering which course to take, where to get started, and how to basically develop a solid, strong, robust business, I would strongly suggest you guys take my course, which is called Kindle Income Academy. I'm going to be putting the link below. All right. Click on the link below, check out the course, get in touch with me. If you want to book a strategy call session with me, most welcome. All right. And then we can take things forward from there. All right, guys, that was it from this video. No matter wherever you are, stay strong, pray to God, take care of your family and take care of yourselves. All right. I'll be seeing you guys in more videos soon. Till then, you guys take care. God bless.